I built an N18 based automation system that finds me hidden SEO opportunities by analyzing our competitors. And this particular system will uncovers me the low competition keywords that are easy for us to win the SEO race. And also we will be automatically filtering out the search terms that our website was already ranked for. So let's say this particular low difficulty keywords, we get something like 20, and out of 20, we are already are ranking for 8 keywords or something. So we will remove those 8 keywords from those particular 20 keywords and only move forward with unique keywords so that there is no duplication of content will be happen in for our blog. So that's how complex this particular strategy is. And for this, I directly use the live Google Search Console API. So yep. And after that, after grabbing the unique keywords, we will be obviously getting the HTML content of the competitor pages only for extracting the meta title and meta description and H1 and H2 tags because those are really needed to understand how their particular page was structured to optimize it. So yeah, and we will be sending every single thing to this particular AI agent. And this was the prompt over here, and these are the data points we are giving it. So that's how, it will seriously generate some data outlines and some content opportunities so that we can capitalize on these data and we can write serious blog articles out there. Let's see things in action. So the agent seriously gave us some complex level of, content selection and content opportunity. So we can seriously use this data and write a blog article on this particular keyword by using these content citations. So yeah, that's it for today.